Hello again, friends. A new day, a new project, and a new fixing, hopefully. And here I have again from the mighty country of China. Let's see what. Very well packed. The replacement kit for a LG G7 battery, tools, and everything related to replace the battery. It's like 1700 milliamps on this phone, so let me turn this off and let me try to dismantle. Oh, I need a cloth or something. I'm not sure if it was dismantled before. Not bad. What? Is it on? Okay, it's almost done. Very easy. But the point is that it's pretty hot. So probably that matters. I believe there is some glue in the middle, so we have to be... Oh, not again. Okay, you can stay on if you like it. Oh yeah, gently applying pressure, but don't aggressive way. Easy, easy, easy. Do we have anything? Okay, we are good here, but what's wrong with this side? Okay, there we go. Oh yes, I believe there is some extra glue in the camera's area, so I'm coming with a little bit of hot air at 200 degrees. Oh yeah. Okay. Magic. So, what do we got here? Is it on? Of course it is. Okay, it shuts down. I believe we have to take out all these screws. Let me start with this one. It's good to have all these tools. Take you later. The screws are all the same. That's nice. Then I don't have to rewind the tape and to see. Okay, one more here. Alright, so the coil and this ensemble are getting out together. Alright, okay, so this is out. So this battery is from 2020, so that's why I have no doubts about being wasted. Do I have to take this out? All of this? Okay, there we go. The whole ensemble is out. Now we can clearly... Okay, so these are the antennas. Nice. And now we can take out the battery and it's out. Okay. All I need now is to try to take this out from the case. I can use some alcohol, but I'm not sure. Let me try something else. I'll apply pressure here and try to put some temperature behind. Not too much. Don't worry about the battery, it's not blowing up. Okay, I feel a little bit of opening. There she goes. Yeah. Okay, I think we are good. Bam bam. I don't like this. I get to get rid of this. Okay. Now, the new battery, it's here. And by the way, something like this. Yeah. And then I can use this to dismantle the thingies. Yeah. Now, let me have the connector back. Power on? Nothing. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have the initialization somehow. Okay, now let's try. Of course, it needs a, let's call it initialization. It's working. 68%, beautiful. Let me turn it off for now. Okay. Oh, this is really hot. Why? Really, really hot. Let's put the things back together. Okay, everything is working as it should. The single problem here, I don't like the way this cable is getting there. But we'll see later about. Here is okay. Now. Okay, so yes, the battery is back in place. All the parts are back in place, but I let it this way open because I'm running some videos in loop. I want to have the battery completely empty, absolutely empty. Now we have 31% and this one is running like for 1.5 hours from 68%. That's not bad, that's not bad. But I'm gonna keep it running like that to see eventually. Well, I will charge it at full. I want to have an idea about the real capacity of this battery. As I recall, the last charging for this one was 1700 milliamps. Okay, let it run. Yeah, almost there, 3%, and it's running for 2.5 hours, maybe more, a video. Okay, so I put this on charge and we have like, what's here? Let's see, 2% already. So let's wait for it. It's charging with 2.26 amps, pretty good. Okay guys, so I'm really disappointed. You see, now the battery, it's like 81% charged and I only pushed 1400 milliamps, not even half of the value or the estimated capacity. And here we are. This is the old battery. I'm trying to have a couple of cycles with my IMAX, and as you can see here, when I measure the voltage, it says 4.32 volts. It's even fully charged or overcharged or something, but I'm trying to discharge this. My IMAX doesn't let me. Look there, over voltage. Let me try a trick to see if it's working. Low voltage. Okay, let's try something else. Let me make it thinking that it's we can use it like any other batteries like this. Discharge. Okay, all I need is to go down to 4 volts or something. But I don't know, and I can't explain what's happening with this over voltage. Let's check the numbers now. 4.01. Okay, I have to say that the connection is directly to the cell, so it's no electronic involved here. Okay, it's looking like this battery inside the phone reached the maximum charging, so now it's a kind of standby, and it's only 1000, let's call it 700 milliamps. Same story, same like the other. Okay, anyway, 93% with 1700 milliamps. That's disappointing. But anyway, I don't consider this a really clever test. I'm gonna have this one tested by IMAX. Okay, so here we are, next day, and the second charge, 1781 milliamps. It's almost 60% of the original capacity of the cell. It's no use for me to continue this one, but I have to face it that now this little guy, now it's working much better. It's not getting hot, it keeps the charge. So it was all night long watching some YouTube and stuff, and it's still 76%. But I want to be sure about that, so I will just dismantle and charge it and discharge it a couple of times with the IMAX, and then we'll know for sure. Okay, so this one, it's kaput, or I can use it for some other purposes. 1700 milliamps. And by the way, as long as I'm here, let's check for the internal resistance. You see, these connections here are straight to the cell, so no BMS. .8 milliohms. That's not bad, not bad at all. 19.8. Let's write this down. For a compare, let me have a usual element or cell like this. 30 milliohms. Okay, let me dismantle the new battery again. Can we take it out from here? Oh, not yet. All right. Perfect. Now I have to try to get access. That's kind of different. Oh yeah. So here you can see the connectors, 1 and 2 straight to the cell. This one. So I'm gonna check the voltage first. 3.9 volts. Okay. Now let's measure the internal resistance first. 27 milliohms. Are you kidding me? 26 something. Okay, let's turn the probes. 26 milliohms. Huh. Funny. Let's remember that. So let's go back discharging. I'll be back. Okay, so here we are at the end of the, let's say, test experiment. This is the new replacement battery. This was already in the phone, but I think this was kind of replaced before. Finally had the discharge and again a charge. You can see 1775, almost the same capacity like this one, which evidently was made in 2020. Okay, nothing to do but to replace it the way it is and I'm gonna ask for a refund because this not at all by the specification. Well, I don't bother you with getting all the things back together in the phone. It's very simple, but I'm very disappointed. I was pretty sure somehow, because you can't expect too much from some of the companies selling on AliExpress or eBay or whatever. It was cheap. Yes, I know it was cheap. It was like 12 euros or something. But from 3,000 advertised, or at least they say minimum 2,890 milliamps hour, to 1,775, it's a long way. Okay, let me see, by the way, let's do some mathematics here. So it's like 61% from the advertised capacity, a little bit than half. Sorry. Okay, thanks for looking, and I hope it's useful. Like always, don't forget to push the subscribe button, push the like button too, helps me a lot. I'm waiting your comments too. Thanks to my sponsor, Vlad and Chuck. And like always, until the next one, don't forget to have fun. See you. Bye bye.